I believe CTE is for everybody. I think every student, even those who are wanting to go to college, it helps them figure out what they want to do. My name is Dr. McLean, and I teach actually two of our career pathways here at Van Buren High School. I teach in the engineering pathway. I teach the second year engineering class, and I also teach in our concurrent called automation technology pathway. I teach all 3 years of that, where students can get up to about 15 hours of college credit. I really just want to talk about CTE, career tech ed in general. One of the things that I do when I go talk to the 8th graders down at the middle schools is talk to them about the importance of figuring out what they want to do for a career and doing that in high school. Once they do figure out what they like, then it gives them a head start in that pathway. I've had several engineering students that came back and talked about how it gave them the confidence whenever they started seeing the more difficult material in college that they had seen it before in high school, and how valuable that was for them to keep going and not have to switch majors or quit college. So that's really a value for any kind of student, whether they want to go to college or not. And if they don't go to college, then these pathways give students the skills and certifications even that they can use immediately when they graduate and go out and start a career. We have certifications in our engineering pathway for CAD, where they can go out and get a job as a drafter. They can get a job as a machinist. They learn CNC machine skills on our lathe and our mill in the 3rd year of engineering. We've had students that started work in local companies around here as a machinist. So there's just a lot of different options and opportunities that students can take advantage of. I don't like to put students in a box. I don't like to limit them. I always tell my students the saying, shoot for the stars and you land on the moon. You don't know how far you can go until you try.